Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Microsoft Edge to its default settings. This is a very simple, yet effective and safe process for fixing issues like slow performance, crashes, unwanted add-ons, or constantly redirecting pages. It's especially useful if you've made significant modifications to the browser and want to return to its clean, stable default settings without having to reinstall Windows. So to get started, open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Before anything else, please note that resetting Microsoft Edge will not delete your bookmarks, saved passwords, or browsing history by default. Now, from the left sidebar, click Reset Settings. On the right side, click Restore Settings to their default values, and a confirmation dialog box will appear explaining what will happen. This dialog box indicates that you will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. Disable all add-ons, clear temporary site data such as cookies, and restore other settings to their defaults. As I mentioned, resetting your browser does not remove your favorites, passwords, or browsing history. If you rely on Edge Sync, some settings from your Microsoft account may be reapplied. Now click the Reset button to reset your browser settings to their defaults. Once complete, Edge will return to its default settings. Since Edge is built into Windows, this method allows you to uninstall the browser and fix any browser issues. It's safe and effective for restoring stability and removing unwanted changes without losing your bookmarks or passwords. If you like this video, click like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell button to receive all the updates. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.